Dear students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about some numerical problems from refraction of light at curved surfaces from 10th class physics. The question is, what is the focal length of double concave lens kept in air with two spherical surfaces of radii r1 30 centimeters and r2 60 centimeters. Take refractive index of lens as n is equals to 1.5. So first we need to check which formula has to be used. For that, first we need to observe the question. So he kept the lens is kept with the focal kept in air, and he is asking to find the focal length. So we have two formulas for the focal length. They are lens formula and lens maker's formula, which has to be used. That can be checked with the given data. So let us have a first concave lens. And for the sign convention, first rule is we need to measure any measurement from the optic center. If we want to measure the distance of C1 and F1 from the optic center, we need to measure from optic center to the left hand side. So the direction of the measurement is towards the left hand side. And if we want to measure the length of F2 or C2 from the optic center, we need to measure in the direction of right hand side. Now if you check the rays, they are moving towards the right hand side. Only one simple logic is, if the direction of the measurement and the direction of the light are in the same direction, then we should take that measurement with a positive sign. If the direction of the measurement and the direction of the light are in opposite direction, then that measurement should be taken with a negative sign. Simple. So given R1 is equal to minus 30 centimeters. In the question it is given as only 30, but it is measuring towards the left hand side, but the ray direction is on the right hand side. So they are in opposite directions, then we should take it as negative sign. R2 as usual 60 centimeters, n is equal to 1.5, and we need to find out the f focal length. And we know the relation between R1, R2, n and f is given by lens maker's formula. Write down the lens maker's formula. 1 by f is equals to n minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. By substituting the values in the formula, 1 by f is equals to 1.5 minus 1 into 1 by R1 is minus 30 minus 1 by R2 is 60. And we know 1.5 minus 1 gives rise to 0.5. And for 1 by minus 30 minus 1 by 60, we need to make an LCM. And the LCM is 60 for 30 and 60. And 30 goes 2 times, so that's why minus 2 minus 1 by 60. 1 by f is equals to 0.5 into minus 2 minus 1, collectively minus 3 by 60. And it will cancel 60 in 20 times. 3 1 jar 3, 3 into 3 minus 1 is minus 3, and 3 20s 60. And 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2 because 0.5 is nothing but the half. And minus 1 by 20. So by multiplying we will get minus 1 by 40. And it is the value of 1 by f, not f. So by reciprocating the two fractions, we will get f is equals to minus 40 centimeters. Hence it is the required focal length of the lens. Here minus indicates that the lens is diverging. Students, I hope you understood. Thank you.